The other hog mollies noticed.
Scoring big with books, some student athletes from Beaufort High School are making a big impact off the field. They're taking part in the 2nd and 7 Foundation's literacy program, sharing some winning stories with 2nd grade students at Coosa Elementary School.
It was just nice seeing how I could help share my love of reading to the younger class. I remember it was so much fun when I used to have football players come and read to me, so it's just nice knowing that I can do that to the younger generation now.
As they're reading, the athletes are using fun and engaging techniques to bring the stories to life.
We kind of changed the voices for each character, and we also just switched off each character so that they could kind of get a grasp of the different perspective of each side of the story.
I would switch between me reading and them reading, and I would use voices, and I would help explain the story, make sure they understood the moral of the story.
We did team reading. I would go once and then my buddy would go once, and then we'd ask questions throughout the book, so that was pretty cool.
The younger students are excited to follow along, and some even got to read to the athletes.
What I liked about it is that they also let us read. They used funny voices and they used different kind of voices to make characters.
The athletes are really enjoying spending time with the elementary students and passing on their love for reading.
It's important to me to think that, I'm that role model for them, and hopefully that they would take after my footsteps and get involved in sports and use that and also read and help read to the younger generation, and that they'll have fun doing it too.
I think they look up to us, so I feel like if they look up to us, then they'll want to read more as well.
This is the 9th year Beaufort High School athletes have read to Coosa Elementary School students. The 2nd and 7 Foundation was started in 1999 by 3 former Ohio State Buckeye football players. The program promotes literacy by having role models read to younger children. At Coosa Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Could you help me with that?